Um, Bright evening, ma'am. I am Carvin Sensei Aldovar, and I am currently first year BSBA student in State University of Northern Negros. As a part of our requirement in purposive communication, I need to reach out to someone who speak a different language. I do and ask him or her to translate 25 Hiligaynon parish into their own language via video call. Can you help me please?
Okay. So, good evening. My name is Alexandra Arante.
Ma'am, I can ask you ng what language you speak?
I will be speaking Ilocano.
Okay. This is a first question, ma'am. How are you?
Kumusta ka?
Question number 2. Do you thank you very much?
Agyaman ako na
Question number 3. I like this.
kaya ako dahito eh.
Question number 4. What's your name?
Ano ya tinagan mo?
Question number 5. I don't know.
Saan ko amo?
Question number 6. It's okay.
Okay laing.
Question number 7. I don't like it.
Saan ko kaya?
Question number 8. Very good.
Napintas unay.
Question number 9. Where are you now?
Kaya nakaita.
Question number 10. What's new?
Ano ya baro?
Question number 11. Maybe you have an idea?
Baka ada adem.
Question number 12. No problem.
Awan problema.
Question number 13. What are you thinking?
Ano ya panunot mo?
Question number 14. How old are you?
Mano tetawin mo?
Question number 15. Let's go.
Umay tayo.
Question number 16. I won't take long.
Sa anak na agdugay.
Question number 17. I wish you were here.
Kastoy ko matiada ka ditoy.
Question number 18. I am just asking.